To navigate the model within the app, use the following gestures and controls. To rotate the model, drag one finger across the screen or click and drag with your mouse. The model will pivot around the point where you start the action. To zoom in or out, use a pinching gesture on the screen or scroll with your mouse wheel. To pan the camera, swipe across the screen with two fingers or right-click and drag with your mouse. To auto-navigate to a specific part, simply double-tap it. For quick navigation to specific parts of the body, use the Quick Navigation menu. Click on the crosshair icon in the top right of the screen to open a pop-up menu. In this menu, you can select any part of the body. Using this selection, you can choose to either focus on or isolate this part. The focus option will automatically navigate the camera to the selected body part, while the isolation option will also hide the rest of the body, showing only the selected body part. If you isolate a body part, you can open the Quick Navigation menu again and press the reset icon, or press the isolated body part again and select Isolate again. This will reset the isolation and show the entire body again.